Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add button links in WordPress. So firstly open your browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. Then in the dashboard, in order for you to actually add a button, what you have to do is just simply go to your pages. Say I want to add the button in my contacts page or a different page like home page. So in whichever page you want to add the button, just simply open that. So I will be going with my home page over here, which is my secondary home page. So just simply click on the three dots over here, then click on edit. Now, as you can see, this is my home page. So in order for you to actually add a button, what you have to do is just simply scroll down to the next bracket where you will find a plus icon over here. So just simply click on the plus icon and type in button. Then a button should appear. So just simply click that. Now a new button has been appeared over here. Then just simply add the text that you want the button to be known as. Let's go with home. Now you can do a lot of settings from the editor panel over here, like the view. If you want the outline view, you can do that. A default view, as you can see over here. You can also change the fonts, or you want to make it bold. You can change the typography, the padding. You can also add border radius. And for more additional option, you can just simply click on the setting icon over here, and you will find few more options over here as well. Now in order for you to add some links to this particular button, what you can do is just simply click on the link icon over here. Now over here in this link option, you have to paste the link of that particular page that you want this button to take the viewers. So firstly, just simply open a new tab and go to your WordPress dashboard. Then in dashboard, just simply go to your pages. Now let's say you want to add the link of a new home page. So just simply click on the three dots and click on view page. Now just simply copy this particular URL, then go back to the editor page. Now click on the home again, then click on the link icon, paste the URL over here, then click on the submit icon over here. And after that, if you want to open this page in a new tab, you can just simply enable this, or if you want to open on the same tab, you can disable this. But I want this to open a new tab, so I will just simply enable this. Then in the end, just simply click on update. Now if I go back to this particular page, then go to view page, you will see the button is over here now. And now if I click on this home page, it will take me to the main home page of my website. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.